Hello guys and welcome back po sa our page Philippines. So this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope March 3 to 9 para po sa may mga sun, moon, and rising sign na Taurus. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share po. At kung hindi nyo po alam kung ano po yung sun, moon, at rising nyo kasi importante to, sa dulo po ng video, we have a link for this. At remember, the readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And we have our extended readings. Kapag nag-click kayo at naging member, mapapanood nyo po yung ating mga secret videos. Click nyo lang po yung join button sa baba. If you need private reading, one-on-one po, or spellworks, pwede kayo mag-message sa ating Facebook page. Link is in the description at may admin tutulong po sa inyo. And donation po kung gusto nyo para po kay Mika yung nag-iingay, para maging cat food niya. You can click po yung thanks button sa baba, yung parang heart. Okay, Taurus, how are you? Let's check. So we have here the Nine of Cups and Soulmates. Ayun. May mga iba sa inyo nagko-question, tama na, at am I in the right place? Am I doing the right thing? Ito naman yung mga sinundan ko. Ito naman yung gusto ko. Ito naman yung desire ng heart ko. Andito naman ako magaling. Pero ba't parang hindi ako naging productive? Andoon na I'm with the right people. Happy naman ako sa mga ginagawa ko, pero bakit parang walang outcome? Walang magandang development? Walang magandang nangyayari? Yun yung mga nagiging questions nyo ngayon, Toro, sa sarili nyo. Na kino-question nyo din yun. Sabi sa astrology, second house ako, Taurus, pero house of money and resources. Pero bakit parang ang gulo yata ng finances ko? Ayan. Anong kasi, pinapata ng cards dito, right now, your finances is connected sa emotions mo with the Nine of Cups. That means, kung makikita mo, if you are really happy, finances comes in naturally. Opportunities, nag-flow lang siya. Pero, kapag andun na you are emotionally down or may negative na harbor kang emotions, your finances, your opportunities, even actually yung personality mo, ikaw sa whole, nagda-down din siya at nahahalata yun sa'yo. So, this is actually a call for you na medyo maging conscious ka kung ano man yung kinikater mo na emotions. And remember, this is also being influenced ng mga tao na sa paligid mo. Yes, ikaw yung main source of your emotions kasi ikaw yung nagko-control niyan. Kaya nga, may kasabihan na you are the captain of the ship, you are the master of your soul. Kasi ikaw yung namimili ng emotions mo. Meron tayong mga nabibigla, pero at the end, decision natin kung magpapadala tayo o hindi. So, you need to have a certain control over your emotions and kung ano man yung ina-absorb mo na galing sa external factors like your friends, your relatives, your coworkers, or etc. What is crossing you is the the moon and new life. Well, ang dami sa inyo na House of Taurus that you are in a crossroad. Meaning, andoon na meron kayong mga big decisions na kailangan gawin. Some of you, with the new life, andoon na may mga opportunities kayo na kailangan yung i-take into consideration. Well, the moon is about our emotions eh. Tungkol to sa heart natin eh. And an ever-changing phase of the moon is actually saying na ever-changing din ang emotions natin. Ang gustong ipaalala sa'yo ng curse ito, na andoon, you need to acknowledge yung mga nagbabago sa paligid mo. Hindi dahil gumana siya dati, kaya nating sabihin, nagagana siya ulit. Kaya nga meron yung phrase na sinasabing process improvement. Kaya nga meron tinatawag na Lean Six Sigma, kung saan mas dinedevelop pa yung mga process to make it faster, easier, cost efficient. Yun yung kailangan mo ngayon. Ayun yung nagko-cross sa'yo kasi there is a part of you hindi kayo prepared for that change. Hindi kayo ready. Kasi, one of the things na gusto nyo is yung pagiging, yung sinasabi lang, predictability. Alam mo na yung susunod, alam mo na yung mangyayari. And usually, mga tao na may ganong klaseng concern, hindi naman lahat but most of the time, sila may mga trust issues. May mga iba sa inyo na you love watching movies na napanood nyo na. Parang yun yung comfort movie nyo. Kasi alam nyo na yung mangyayari. Alam nyo na happy ending, alam nyo magiging maganda yung results ng movie. And there is this certain security na binibigay sa inyo yun. That is where you need to break. You need to try something different, something fresh, something new. Sabi nga ni Isabella doon sa Encanto. Yun yung i-break nyo ngayon. Now, your desire card mo is a 7 of Pentacles, tsaka higher power. Well, totoo nga, kasabihan, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. This means po, although we are, parang ito yung may mga clients ako, share ko na rin sa inyo, na gusto niya ng prosperity, papagawa siya prosperity ritual. Sige. Pero tamad siya. O, diba? Parang, yung totoo po, naglolokohan po tayo. We need to also act. Andun kasi, yes, you are holding on sa higher power. You are holding doon sa strength ng universe or kay God or sa guardian angel mo. Pero on your end, you need to do something. So kasi sila, supporting role sila. Supportive sila. They will support you in the endeavor. They will open opportunities para sa'yo. Pero on your end, kailangan meron kang gawin to make that into a reality. Kapag nagbukas ang door ang universe, you need to jump into it. You have the support of the universe. Andun kasi na gusto mo kasi dapat clear, di ba? Na dapat ganito yung option no. The universe, siya yung magde-dictate kung ano dapat yung magiging sign at ano yung opportunity. The universe, alam niya ang fastest, shortest, and safest way papunta doon sa development mo into a better person and into a more prosperous person. Now, yung foundation mo is the Knight of Swords tsaka never-ending story. Well, may mga sa House of Taurus that you ended up some things in the past na pero andun pa rin na hoping kayo. Yung, paano ba? Siguro yung mga pinaka-best example na naisip ko, yung mga nakipag-break, hindi nila namimiss yung tao. Especially kung toxic yung previous relationship. They don't miss the person. They just miss the feeling of being with a person. Nai-gets mo ba? Na hindi yung tao, pero yung pakiramdam na nandun ka sa sitwasyong ganun, ang namimiss nyo. And ang dami sa inyo na pa rin, hopeful. And also, andun yung point with the Knight of Swords na nagbabaka sakali pa rin na hinahanap nyo yung same experience. Pero I'm sorry to say, we cannot step on the same water twice. Hindi natin ma-replicate yung same na mga pangyayari in the past para ma-experience natin to ulit. Kasi lahat naman tayo magkakaiba. We have our own unique traits, experiences, personality, attitude. So, we can only dream. Pero andito yung point na ina-advise ka ng universe, ng cards mo, open yourself na may mga tao or that there will be situations that the universe will provide to you para ma-experience mo ulit to, but in a different way naman. Because in the past, we have here is the Knight of Pentacles, tsaka Orphan. Kinakabahan ako baka bilang tumalon si Abu sa mesa. Mahatak niya yung mga gamit. So anyway, sorry. Na-share ko lang. Now, in the past kasi, andoon na isa sa mga siguro isa sa mga love language na talaga is yung physical touch. Tsaka yung, quality time na yung kasama mo yung tao or what not. So, ito, pinapakala dito ng cards is na there is a moment that you will need in the past na yun yung nagiging security blanket mo. Na kapag na may mga tao na if you're with people, andoon na nakakaramdam ka ng okay ka, or if somebody is giving yung parang, kaya mo yan, yun talaga nakaka-ease ng ano mo emotions mo. And yun yung sa mga, nadagdag na natin yun sa mga dinidesire mo, na maintindihan ng mga tao na that is your form of, kumbaga, ano mo siya security blanket mo. And yun yung nilolong mo, yun yung bagay sa in the past mo na hindi mo mabitawan, which is normal, kasi wala mo masama doon. We all need that physical touch. Ako totoo yung narinig ko na nakakatulong na maka-lower ng cholesterol daw, ng blood pressure, anxiety, depression. Yung physical touch like yakap, holding hands, or kiss, ganun daw, sa cheeks, sa forehead, or sa labi, depende sa relationship nyo. That really daw helps to lower down a lot of negative energies in our body. I understand you. Now, in the possible future na ikaw, we have here the 8 of Cups, tsaka time for a nap. Okay. There will be some moments na may mga i-abandon kayo na people and situations in search for something na, kung yung pinakamagandang term ko, na pwede maisip, is yung soul searching. Ando na pipilitin nyo, hanapin nyo yung sarili nyo para mas maintindihan nyo, ano ba talaga tong ano ba yung kailangan ko talaga? Ano ba talaga yung longing ko? Ano ba talaga yung kailangan ko? Parang si si Evita Peron, yung kanta niya doon sa movie, where do we go from here? Where do we keep all our passions alive? Andoon na mag-venture ka. And may mga ventures tayo sa life na kailangan mag-isa tayo. May mga travels tayo, may mga bagay na kailangan iharapin on our own. And this will be where the universe will bring you. So, kung nakaka-relate ka sa ating mga readings or nakaka-resonate ka, meron po tayong extended reading. You can click the join button sa baba to have access to our exclusive videos and also some of the benefits as well. Nasa baba na po yung join button. Tuloy natin reading mo, Taurus. So, your physical environment, we have your Justice and Treasure Island. Well, a lot of you feel naman secure kayo kung nasan kayo physically. Pero parang limited yung opportunities around you. Andoon na parang, okay naman ako, nakatulog ako na maayos dito, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Pero when it comes to expanding yourself, when it comes doon sa finding new ways to siguro, develop yourself or gain more finances, kung nasan ka, hindi siya ganon kaganda or hindi ganon kadami yung pwede yung pagkuhanan ng kabuhayan siguro. So, it could be within kung saan ka nakatira physically or mismo sa area ng business mo or the circle of friends that you have or even kung saan ka physically nakatira. There is this certain lack of better opportunity. Alam mo isa sa mga reason din, kasi yung nakapaligid sa'yo, ang low din ng mga vibrations nila, low ng mga frequencies nila. You have two options, sabi ng cards. So, it's either you move or you raise the vibration sa paligid mo. Dalawa lang ang pwede mong gawin. Alis ka dyan o i-change mo yung atmosphere kung nasan ka. Your emotional environment is the Hangman and Serendipity. Okay. Well, hindi ito para sa lahat. Siguro, but this will be going towards doon sa may mga in a relationship and who are in a relationship Andun kasi with the card of the Hangman, nag-iisip ka na, tama pa ba tong connection na meron kami? Kasi andoon na ginagawa naman niya yung responsibilities niya as a partner. Pero parang hindi, yung parang there's something that's lacking eh. There is something na parang kulang there is something na parang gusto mong ma-implement. And may iba sa inyo, again, mas konti pang people, may iba sa inyo parang andoon na nagsisimula nyong makita yung partner nyo as no longer as your partner. Ang pangit nung term ko pero yun ang naisip ko, nakikita nyo sila parang as liability na. Medyo naging pabigat na. Kasi instead na nagtutulungan kayo, parang nararamdaman mo hinahatak na yung energy nyo pababa. It is a wise decision na pag-usapan nyo to. Again, malapit na tayo pumasok sa Mercury retrograde, don't make rash decisions muna. Kasi feel mo ganito. Open communication will be very important moving forward. Yung hopes and fears mo is the King of Pentacles and the Fork in the Road. Ayun lang talaga. Naghahanap ka ng opportunities. Gusto mo tagang kung may mga tao na pwede kang bigyan ng, kumbaga, yung give me a break, give me a chance para ma-present ko yung sarili ko, magawa ko better yung life ko, maging much stronger ako. Yung sinasabi dito ng fork in the road. Isa sa masasabi mo rin, deep inside, with the King of Pentacles na, and this time, pagayamanin ko to. This time, I'll make sure na hindi ko sasayangin yung opportunity. This time, sisiguraduhin ko na talagang I'll give my best shot para ma-maximize ko to to show them na worth it na pinagkatiwalaan ako. Your possible future is the Four of Wands and Blessed. Okay. A lot of you in the House of Taurus, it's being asked by the universe. Hindi ko pwedeng, ayoko sabihin diretso, but I'll give you some clues. It's being asked by the universe na return back to the origin. When you say origin, we're talking about going back to your family. Now, always remember that, sige, I'm not sure if this is for everyone, but ito yung lumalabas, na we can never really predict the future. Once an opportunity to create memories is nawala, wala na yon. The cards is asking you to create memories with your family and with your loved ones. Now, when you say family, this is the family ng dugo at yung family na pinili natin. Create memories because once the opportunity to create them is gone, it's already gone. So, I hope nakatulong po yung readings. The readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And if you're new, subscribe, like, and share po. At may cards na tayo para sa extended reading. Dito ko na ipubukus yung ibang mga hindi ko masabi pa in a public video. If you want access to the extended readings po, i-click nyo po yung join button sa baba and become a member. If you need private readings for Spellworks, pwede kayo mag-message sa ating Facebook page. Link is in the description below. And one of our admins will be helping you po. For donations, you can click the heart button yung things sa baba. Taurus, maraming salamat sa'yo. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna and blessed be. And hope to see you sa extended readings. Mula po dito sa Dominican Hill and Baguio City. You have a great day. I'll see you very soon. Bye now.